Summer is here, which means vacations are just around the corner. Here are our 5 top tips for traveling with your Needlepoint project. Number 1. Use a vinyl bag to store your project. It will keep your canvas clean and keep you organized on the go. Plus, you can see everything that's in the bag, and so can airport security if you're traveling by plane. Number 2. Pack scissors with blades less than 4 inches. Alternatively, tie a clover thread cutter to your project bag so that you never find yourself without something to cut your thread. Number 3. Consider pre-cutting your strands before you travel. You never have much space in a car or on a plane, so this makes your thread easy to grab and go. Taking a mostly basket weave project will make things simpler too. Number 4. Light is never good in hotel rooms. Use one of our clip-on lights for your stitching ease. They're lightweight and portable. Number 5. Don't forget to pack extra needles. They're so easy to lose, you'll want to pack more than one. Now you're ready to hit the road. Happy stitching and safe travels!